She eat breakfast.
She ate breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
She ate breakfast.
I read books.
I read a book yesterday.
I read books.
I read a book yesterday.
She writes a letter.
She wrote a letter.
She writes a letter.
She wrote a letter.
They play football.
They play football last evening.
They play football.
They played football last evening.
He eats an apple.
He ate an apple.
He eats an apple.
He ate an apple.
We visit the park.
We visited the park last week.
We visit the park.
We visited the park last week.
I drink coffee.
I drank coffee this morning.
I drink the coffee.
I drank coffee this morning.
She drives a car.
She drove a car yesterday.
She drives a car.
She drove a car yesterday.
They sing songs.
They sang songs at the party.
They sing songs.
They sang songs at the party.
He runs every day.
He ran yesterday morning.
He runs every day.
He ran yesterday morning.
We watch movies.
We watched a movie last night.
We watch movies.
We watched a movie last night.